In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play R6M on Bluestacks 5. By the end, you'll have Rainbow Six Mobile running smoothly on your PC and be ready to jump into matches with solid performance. First, let's get your system and emulator settings ready so everything runs as intended. Make sure hardware virtualization is enabled in your computer's BIOS. This feature lets Bluestacks use your CPU efficiently, which is crucial for a fast, stable experience. If virtualization is turned off, Android games can stutter or feel unresponsive. Every motherboard labels this setting a little differently, so check your manufacturer's guide if you're unsure where to find it, then save and reboot once it's enabled. Next, plan to use an Android 11 64-bit instance inside BlueStacks. This is recommended because modern games, including Rainbow Six Mobile, are optimized for newer Android versions and benefit from the 64-bit runtime. When you create or configure your instance, allocate 4 CPU cores and between 4 and 8 gigabytes of RAM. This strikes a good balance, enough resources for smooth gameplay without starving the rest of your system. If you have a higher-end PC, leaning toward the 8 GB setting can help with consistency during busy firefights. Now, launch BlueStacks 5. Give it a moment to load to the home screen. The first start can take a little longer as it sets things up in the background. If you've created multiple instances, confirm you're opening the Android 11 64-bit one so you get the compatibility and performance you just configured. With BlueStacks open, it's time to install Rainbow Six Mobile. Head to the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks. If it's your first time, you may be prompted to sign into your Google account to access downloads. In the search bar, type Rainbow Six Mobile, then select it from the results and click Install. The download size can be substantial, so keep BlueStacks in the foreground and let it finish without interruptions. Availability can vary by region, so if you don't see the game listed, it may not be rolled out in your area yet. Once the installation completes, you'll see an Open or Play button in the Play Store and a game icon on the BlueStacks home screen. Launch the game and follow any on-screen prompts to get to the main menu. From here, you're set to play. If you want to refine your experience later, BlueStacks offers tools to customize controls and sensitivity, so aiming and shooting feel comfortable on keyboard and mouse. That's it, your setup is complete and Rainbow Six Mobile is ready to go on BlueStacks 5. Enjoy your matches.